Thank you. Let's bring in Article 3 Project President Mike Davis and political and investigative reporter at the Washington Examiner, Sarah Bedford. Thank you both for coming on. We appreciate it. Mike, to you first. Hunter Biden in court tomorrow will plead not guilty to 3 felony gun charges. Your thoughts?
This is a charade. This is part of the Biden Justice Department's cover-up. They are charging Hunter with these gun charges that are constitutionally dubious and do not tie back to his father, Joe Biden, when there is clear evidence that Joe Biden is corrupted and compromised by tens of millions of dollars in foreign bribes and other corruption from China, Ukraine, Russia, Kazakhstan. This is a cover-up. This is not going to go anywhere. President Biden will pardon his son before he leaves office.
I want to read this headline, Sarah, from the Daily Mail, quoting here, Hunter Biden was suspected of hiring prostitutes from Eastern European sex trafficking ring during drug binges and falsifying checks to pay the women, Treasury documents reveal. What do you make of that, Sarah? Does the plot thicken a bit here?
Yeah, I mean, the IRS whistleblower said that the entire reason that the Hunter Biden investigation was opened in the first place in 2018 was because of a nexus with some sort of online pornography ring that the IRS was investigating separately. So obviously this has always sort of been a sordid part of the tale. We know from the IRS whistleblowers that there were allegations that Hunter Biden had actually written off some of his payments to prostitutes as business expenses on his taxes. Those are the types of things that make Americans think there's a double standard at the Justice Department when you see how aggressively the Justice Department is going after people like Donald Trump for financial crimes, for, mishandling classified documents, for things that most people might think are maybe even lesser offenses, and then that Hunter Biden seems to skate by year after year. This investigation is ongoing. The evidence has been sitting at the Justice Department for years now, and nothing has been done.
Yeah, and she brings up the former president, so let's go that direction, Mike. He was in court today for this fraud case, and he said this. Watch.
Anybody that does business in New York State is crazy. When you have a radical left attorney general like Letitia James, who's a disgrace to our country, who got elected on the fact that she's going to take down President Trump. We're going to take him down. She knew nothing about me. But she got elected on that basis.
And I think it's important to re-note, Mike, that the New York Attorney General campaigned on getting Trump. I mean, she said that he was an illegitimate president.
She is a rabid partisan Democrat who has made it her mission to take out Trump. And this is part of a lawfare campaign, 2 impeachments, 4 indictments, and now this civil fraud lawsuit for the non-fraud of a businessman paying back sophisticated Wall Street banks in full with interest. Where is the damage? Where is the fraud? This is nonsense. And they have this Democrat clown partisan judge going along with this charade. I hope that the New York appellate courts fix this.
Sarah, very hard to campaign from the courtroom. Your final thoughts on this?
That's right. I mean, I think Donald Trump probably won't be there for most of the trial since it's going to stretch till the end of December, according to this judge, although he'll have to be back potentially to testify as a witness. But look, if this was really serious fraud, I think it's pretty clear from the way the Justice Department has behaved that a law enforcement agency would have enforced this a long time ago. But the fact is that no law enforcement agency was interested in pressing this, which is why it's proceeding as a civil case. And much of it, what was revealed in court today, may even fall outside the statute of limitations. But there's no jury there to decide the facts. It's a partisan judge. So it's a tough break for Trump.
Yeah, it is.